Happy 4th birthday, Silas. You're now 4 years old for SML. For Silas Matthew Livers. For also Super Mario Logan. And I'm gonna make myself sneeze. And I'm gonna sneeze with Chhinkni powder. And snuff it real hard like with my mom yesterday and my dad. It was not funny. Ready? And Scarlett, you're gonna be 2 on October 3rd. Terrible twos. Ready? And 5, 4, 3, 2. I got that from my Carly when I used to watch it all the time when I was little. I got my handkerchief out. Oh. I can wiggle my nose. 'I need some more Chhinkni powder. Oh god, I use these. 6. I'm on 6. Come on, on for now.